On the other hand, if rebooting your iPhone did nothing and Safari is still not working, check the network connection.
2. Check network connection. Safari won't work without the network connection, so we encourage you to check for possible connectivity issues. Here are some common things you can do in case you have connectivity issues on your iPhone. Test the network in other apps that require the internet to work. Restart the router and modem. Forget and reconnect to the network that's troubling you. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily. Reset network settings on your iPhone in case nothing else works.
In case you use cellular data besides Wi-Fi network, confirm that cellular data is allowed in Safari settings. Here's how you can enable cellular data for Safari in your iPhone settings.
Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Cellular.
Swipe down and ensure that Safari is allowed to use cellular data. Safari not working on iPhone after update.
3. Check Screen Time Settings.
Under Screen Time Settings, you'll find Content and Privacy Restrictions. And, under that extensive menu, you'll see a variety of options to limit access to certain features and tailor the user experience for your kids. However, it's not unusual for iOS updates to make uncalled changes in this menu and thus block certain features or limit access for certain websites. Here are some options you should check under Content and Privacy Restrictions to ensure that Safari is not blocked or comes with a limited access. Open Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions.
Select Allowed Apps. Ensure that Safari is, indeed, allowed.